Elephants are taking a bath all the way out in the river. Oh my gosh, he's lying down in the water. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. They just lie down in the river. It's getting all cleaned up. Guy's making sure that every part of him gets washed. That is absolutely fabulous. Oh, other side.
Interesting. Oh, I bet that feels good.
She is clean. And now the other two are getting baths as well. Yes, they are standing on elephants.
I bet that scrubbing feels
If you can believe it. Woo! And that's coming our way pretty soon, I have a feeling. Get ready to run.
Okay. I got a picture of it.
Yeah. Smart guy, he knows what he's doing. Clean for the day. There she goes. And these guys are almost done too. This guy's getting a really good scrub down. He's got the scrub brush out. Oh yeah. He's like, that feels good. Give my back.
He's getting ready. He's getting a trunk full.
Yeah.
Here comes Jay.
He's gonna spray us any second now. Well, we know.
He's having a drink.
Okay.
Yep.
Elephant bath time.